Thank you for touring this home. Please contact me if you have any questions. Beautiful home on corner lot in Olde Salem Township. Quartz countertops, gas cooktop, wall oven, custom soft close cabinets, walk-in pantry, separate dining room and laundry room, gas fireplace. Hardwood floors in master bedroom, soaker tub, large hand-laid tile shower, walk-in closet. ATT fiber optic high-speed internet. Bryant School District. Energy-efficient features, foam insulation in roof, low-E windows, zip wall system, gas tankless water heater, hardie board siding. Fenced yard, stairs in garage lead to insulated attic and lots of storage space. Amenities: clubhouse, swimming pool.